Hey there, friends! Today, I'll show you how to add a custom skin in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Let's open Minecraft and click on the dressing room. There. Next, you'll see an edit button. For the player, of course. As you can see, there are default skins here. But we can go here, click on our skins and choose a new one. We'll select a skin from our computer. You can download skins online or make your own. Let's pick the first one and click download. Put it in any folder you like. Just remember where, so you can find it later. And there you have it. That's all from me. Like and subscribe. Wishing you all the best. Take care, everyone.